Hello guys, welcome to Stay Tech. My name is Arman and this video is gonna be my personal review of the new Samsung Galaxy S10, which is here. So Samsung Galaxy S10. So after I've been using it for more than a week now, I found something good and something bad about this phone. So I'm just gonna share it to you today. To start, I just want to let you know that the Samsung Galaxy S10 is the newest flagship phone of Samsung, and they are now celebrating their 10th anniversary of the Galaxy S series. So if you remember, you have the Galaxy S1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever and whatnot. Now is the Galaxy S10, and which is gonna be here. I've been using my Samsung phone quite a long time now. I've been a Samsung fan myself. One of the phone that I like, which I stayed more than any other phone, is actually the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge, which is, I still have it, still working, still kicking in, and still quite quick. And I haven't compared it to this one. We'll make another video of it, so if you want to subscribe to my channel there. Okay? And so from this model to this model. Okay? Okay, so let's talk about the look of the new Samsung Galaxy S10. While using the phone for more than a week now, I found that the screen is the best for my hand. I didn't go for the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus because I found that really big and massive. But this one is just enough, and I can reach the top and I can reach the bottom quite quickly without using my other hand. And I can also touch and type quite quickly, and thanks to this 6.1 inches with a good ratio of 19:9. The screen is very stunning. It's the new Infinity O screen, they call it, and it's newly bezel-less display. I found the punch camera in front of it is a little bit annoying. It looks like a dead pixel to me, but you can hide it. You can hide it, but it will ruin the idea of the bezel-less phone. One thing is missing here though is the notification LED light that is no longer on it. So it's gone completely. I miss it. The back of the phone is pretty amazing too. They kept the glass back panel to keep it feels really premium and expensive, as Samsung decided to have this as the first Samsung phone that have an embedded finger scanner, thanks to the Qualcomm ultrasonic technology that aims to be faster and more secure than existing smartphone that has a fingerprint scanner on the screen, like the OnePlus 6T. One lens and two lens generation have gone, and it's now time for the 3 lenses smartphone. This phone have 3 lenses at the back. There are two 12 megapixel camera and a 16 megapixel for ultra wide. When you open up the camera, you will have 3 options with it: telephoto, wide, and the ultra wide. Whilst the front camera is 10 megapixel wide camera. Another interesting is the capability of having a wireless power share that will allow you to charge your Galaxy Buds and other wireless charging phone. this phone is not just snappy in terms of internet or anything like that, but this is really good in terms of gaming as well. I will do more testing of this new Exynos 9820 octa-core in the future. So if you have a phone, so if you have a Samsung S10 that you bought in Europe, that is going to be what you can have in Exynos 9820 octa-core. One thing that I didn't like about the Samsung Galaxy S10 is the accessories that came with it, especially the charger and the USB, because they are a lot plasticky than they should be. And also, one thing, if you have noticed, if you have a Samsung Galaxy S10, is the new SIM card tray of the Samsung S10 is quite fiddly, so you have to be very careful not to break it, because it's kind of hard to find one of these. So there you go, that is just my personal opinion about the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you have a big question, just like is it really worth it to upgrade to a new phone, I would say if you have a phone that is like for example 3 years old and above, it is going to be worth it to go for a Samsung Galaxy S10. But if you have a phone that is just 2 years old and below, like the iPhone X, this one, I still have that, no. So Samsung Galaxy S10 is just a new smartphone basically, and then the only thing that is new about this phone is the wide angle camera, which is quite good in terms of photos, and the ultrasonic fingerprint, and that's it, nothing else apart from that. Okay, so and yeah, so hopefully you like my video about the Samsung Galaxy S10. This is just my personal view, and if you have any question or comment, just put that in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new to my channel. Okay, so thank you and goodbye.